Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Thank you for joining me for day 3 of getting back to good health after this Christmas period. So day 3 is all about breathing. Yeah, and all of you will be saying, well, I can breathe properly, I'm breathing right now. And sure enough, you are. But how are you breathing? Are you breathing from your chest? Are you breathing from your diaphragm? A lot of us are shallow breathers, meaning we're breathing from our chest. We're not really taking in enough oxygen as we're breathing. And research has shown that we actually only use 10% of the capacity of the diaphragm when we're breathing. And that action that the diaphragm makes throughout the day, we actually take 50,000 of those diaphragmatic actions every single day. So it's really important that we are breathing properly. So, how are some ways we can improve our breathing? Throughout the day, we can make a conscious effort to not even stand up. We can sit down, but just sit up straight and take deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Hold it for about 5 to 7 seconds if you can, and just do that for about a minute, and that helps to get that oxygen into our lungs and then moving around the body. And also, when we get more oxygen into our lungs, it also impacts the blood, making our blood much more richer, making it move around the body more effectively. So it's really important to breathe well, and when we breathe well, it also helps us to focus much better. It helps us to sleep much better. It's important for us to breathe. All you have to do is take deep breaths. So let's do it together. So we are gently taking breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, holding it for about 7 seconds, and just do that throughout the day, 3 or 4 times throughout the day for about, a minute, and you will see a vast improvement. So thank you for joining me on day 3, and see you on day 4.